All right, y'all. I forgot to balance the tire, so I'm gonna have to take it back off. Oh man, what did I use to knock this stool a while ago? Ta, 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 ta. I used to knock this stool earlier, yo. I can't even remember. What did I stick through there earlier? I can't remember. Let's see how it is with the weights that's already on there. Go get my thing to mount this light. You gotta wrap the front tire up. Mm-hmm. What you got? Getting my light. What light? The camera. It's really just light to brighten up the video, Daddy.
videos.
Hmm.
I said, you just making videos. That's all you do is making videos. That's why you want stuff.
Trying to brighten it up to get that front tire squared away, y'all. I don't want to leave it sitting up like this. I don't want to leave it sitting up like that overnight, Daddy. With that front tire on.
Oh, no. I leave that other one alone, though.
Yeah, I ain't gonna mess with the back one.
Already been out here 4, 5, 6 hours.
Oh, yeah.
Ain't good.
Yeah. I mean, it's the exact same tires, but let's see.
What do you think it is?
Well, it's the exact same tires. They balance. It's going back to where it was. It's moving a little bit. I think they're pretty close because they went back to center with the weights that's already on there.
You even took it back off.
Yeah, I took it off. I just wanted to make sure, but it's moving a little bit, but it's going back to the bottom because the weight's right there and then the stem right there.
Leave it alone.
Yep, it's balanced. Because it's the exact same tires, so it shouldn't be that big of a difference. You know what I mean? Oh.
So you didn't take the weight off level, left it on.
Oh, I left it on.
Should be all right.
Yeah. Next time around I get tires, I change this stem. Then I messed around and put it on the wrong side. So the back one facing, well, I guess I could turn the back one, but I ain't gonna mess with the back one. I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I could turn both of them to the left side.
As long as you can put some air in it.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. Car tires, you can put them on any direction, can't you? But on a motorcycle, they directional. They gotta go the direction the motorcycle turn.
Your car tire, you put it on either side. White wall, black wall.
Yeah, flip it either way.
Don't matter. But now, if you try to take them off the rim now and flip it over, that's the tire.
Yeah, because it already done wore.
Been rotating on that side. That's the only thing about it. That's why you can't take one from the right side, put it on the left. You got to rotate it from the front to the back. That's all you can do.
Keep them on the same side. And then on the back, Daddy, I don't have to take the brakes off. But on the front, I had to take both of the brakes off.
Connected to the brake side.
Well, then on the back, it only got that one brake and one rotor. Yeah.
You still save your money and time.
Yeah.
Because They gonna charge you at least $400-500.
Yeah, then you never know when you're gonna get it back.
Oh, they gonna keep it.
Yeah.
They gonna say it took a month, and they take but a week.
And then if you show up early, it's ready. You show up early and it's ready.
They need to pay everybody today.
Yeah. Yeah, next time I'm gonna have I'm gonna make sure I have a front stand. So I don't have to worry about this.
You get the one to pick the whole bike up.
Yeah.
Be done with it.
Yeah.
That way you ain't leaning down low, you can jump it up high. It's time you're beating on something, hit them that yellow that blocking.
Okay.
Then the orange.
Okay.
Beat on the regular hammer. That won't damage. You ate more of that chicken.
Yeah, I ate some this morning, Daddy.
I can't believe that it's burning.
That's the best one you ever made in a while, ain't it?
Chicken was good, dude. Your mama seasoned it right. That makes it a lot when you season it right.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm just trying to be careful not to knock it over. Yeah. I was scared to leave it while I went to the parts store. Oh man. I'm alright. I just usually how it go when I get do these projects, I never get done when I think I'm gonna get done.
That's part of it. It's your first time doing it with your own too.
Yeah.
That's a learning process.
And then I left my big sockets at Kiara Mom and Daddy house.
Then go back and go.
Cause I changed the oil and the transmission oil and the differential oils on the 4-wheeler the other day.
That's the way I usually do. My truck ain't here. Most of my big tools in there. Well, there's some in that toolbox, but you didn't know it was open.
Yeah. I planned on going down there and looking at that house today. We supposed to close on the 8th this month. And I was gonna see if that boat was still down there.
You gotta make sure it's right, Brandon.
Yeah.
Don't buy no lemon.
Yeah.
You be disappointed. Then you gotta put another $150,000, $60,000, $100,000 in it.
Yeah.
It ain't nothing like having your own though.
Yeah.
I don't give a damn what nobody say. I like walking around naked. It's a good feeling.
Yeah. It's crazy these bolts don't be real tight. They just,
They self-tighten.
yeah.
When you're driving, it tightens itself up. It's called a self-tighten bolt. What they are, self-tighten. Same way on your car. Once you get them self-tight, you'll mess them up. Same way. They designed that way. They tighten itself up as they roll.
Wrong side. The heck?
Yep.
Oh, I'm tripping. Gotta move that toolbox while I let it down. If it wasn't on the ground, it was gonna be on the ground.
Get your brake back on.
Oh, I'm gonna put it on while it's down.
It's easier.
Yeah, cause I can turn the wheel. Oh,
You had to put that together, the other tie chain.
yeah, I had to put both of them together. I had to put the balancer together and the tire thing.
I break it back down and put it back in the box.
Mm-hmm.
That way you know where it's at and you be safekeeping.
Mm-hmm.
But you'll use it again.
Yeah. Oh.
That's your cushion. Why you ain't sitting on it?
I don't know, Daddy. I keep
Told you to get that sports car to sit on.
creeping.
Did you like it?
Oh, I can see it, Daddy.
It ain't nothing like having the stuff you need to do what you want to do with it.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody bothering you.
Hmm.
Nobody pulling up, going in the house, slamming the doors,
Hmm.
neighbors, none of that.
When these tires be brand new, they don't even look like they real. It don't even look real.
That's how you get the road and they look real. Wear and tear, huh?
Hmm. I'm gonna see if I can order that exact same one because I like it because you don't got to pull it through, it bolts on the inside. I like that. I was hoping they had that exact one, but I don't know what he gave me.
What kind of is you order yourself?
Yeah, you can get on some of the actual like part websites for like motorcycles and stuff, and they have back stock of the old parts instead of having to get the new revised part.
So cheap.
Yeah. Like when I had to fix that turn signal, I got it off of, I didn't get it from Honda,
Yeah.
but they had OEM Honda parts, and when I messed my peg up,
Cheap.
yeah. And then it's not the new up, as it go on, they update them. And it's the original one, it's not the new updated one. I like that. When it be the exact same thing you took off of there.
Yeah, it's supposed to fit.
Yeah. Next tire change, I guess I should be changing my brakes.
That mat and sit down on it.
Huh?
Get that cushion and sit down on
Okay.
it.
The back tire should go faster since I fixed the tool and it actually got holes in it now.
We'll take you wrong.
Yeah.
We'll take you wrong.
And I'm gonna make sure I made the mistake because it's at a right angle. It's like it's not pointing straight up. It was scrubbing on the tool, and that's how I messed it up. As I was spinning it, the
Certain way it gotta go.
yeah, I kept hitting it.
If you smart, guess what?
Yeah.
Take it out first.
Yeah.
Just unscrew it and pull it out. That'd be the smart thing,
Yeah.
When you break the tie down, take the out, get all the air out. Then you just reach over in there and take it out. All you gotta do is unscrew it, right? Or you just pull it through.
Oh, it's a screw. It got a screw up under it.
You gotta screw up under. When you unscrew it, guess what they'll do? It go inside the tie. Either go inside or come out. If it go inside, when you break the tie down, guess what? It's still gonna be safe.
Main thing I was worried about putting it putting the tire in the right direction. 'Cause if I would have put it in the wrong direction,
Going down.
yeah, or I would have just broke down and took it off again. Cause it got arrows on it.
Then tuck your marker, something yellow, red, blue. Mark it. That way you ain't gotta keep wondering. Find the arrow, put your mark on it. Like if you have the yellow and red on tires, that's for a reason. They've been inspected, that's the side they inspected.